What's up YouTube, this is Prince today TP101 and Apple has just released iOS 10.3 to the public, and if you're a jailbreaker, definitely do not update because you will lose your jailbreak. And if you're on 10.2.1, stay there just in case there's a jailbreak for iOS 10.2.1 because 10.3, so there it is right here. So iOS 10.3 is a whole new file system, different file system from all the other previous iOS software. So this one might be harder to jailbreak, and also it could be easier to jailbreak depending on how these hackers see the new file system. So if you're on 10.1.1 jailbroken, stay there. If you're on 10.2 jailbroken, stay there. Do not update. If you're on 10.2.1, then stay there. Do not update to 10.3. But if you don't care about jailbreak and you just want to update to the latest and greatest from Apple with all these new security features, definitely update to 10.3. So this is my iPhone 7 Plus right here, and this is my iPhone 6, I think 6 or 6S, one of these, and this one is on 10.3. Let's see right there. You can see that. Hard to see, but it's on 10.3, and my iPhone 7 is on 10.1.1, not jailbroken, but I can jailbreak 10.1.1 with Mac Portal, but I'm just waiting for a more stable jailbreak to jailbreak this iPhone 7 right here. So the whole dilemma is, if I'm on 10.1.1, should I update to 10.2.1, which I can do right now manually by you downloading the software and using iTunes to update to it, which I can do right now because it's still being signed by Apple. So if you're on 10.3 and you want to downgrade back to 10.2.1, there's a way to do that, but basically all the stuff that you had on your device, you might lose it, because when you try to downgrade and keep all your everything on your device, the old software that you're trying to get, it's gonna basically interfere with each other. That's what I'm trying to say. It's gonna interfere with each other, and it's not as simple, because it's a 10.2.1 is a different file system and 10.3 is a different file system. So when you're trying to downgrade, you might have to do a complete restore and just erase all your data. So before you update to 10.3, make sure to do a complete backup. Hook up your phone to iTunes, do a complete backup just in case you want to downgrade or anything goes bad. You know what I mean? And if you're on 10.1.1 jailbroken on the iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, do you update to 10.2.1? Well, that's up to you, because I'm on 10.1 right now and I'm staying there. I'm not updating to 10.2.1 because who knows, there might not be a jailbreak. So I'm just staying right here. I've been on there since I broke my other phone, and I'm gonna stay right here on 10.1.1 until Luca Tedesco update the Mac Portal jailbreak for the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. So yeah, if you guys don't care about jailbreak, definitely update 10.2. It's an awesome firmware, a lot more speedy, new features, just more stable, different file system. If you have a 16 gigabyte device, you should see a lot more space, because the whole new file system, everything, all the files are smaller, so you get more storage, and that's a plus. But I'm on this right here, and I'm staying on 10.1.1. If you're on 10.2.1, stay there. And yeah, that's what I think, guys. So rate, comment, definitely subscribe. It's Prince today TP101. 10.3, awesome firmware. If you don't care about jailbreak, go ahead and update. If you want to keep your jailbreak, do not update. If you're on 10.2.1, stay there. And if you're like me, who has 10.1.1 and want a jailbreak in the future, definitely stay there. And they also release a new update for the Apple Watch, which is watchOS 3.2, also tvOS 10.2, and macOS Sierra 10.12.4. So everything is updated. So you update your computer, your phone, your iPad. And yeah, this is just my jailbreak warning, guys. Peace. Thanks for watching.